Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Tedesco with this week's music lesson. This week we're going to be doing an activity that's based off of the theme song from the Pink Panther movie. Okay, so first I'd like to go through part A, B, and C and count the rhythms, okay? Let's go ahead and count together. Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Good. You'll notice at the end there's a repeat sign, which means you're going to do each section more than once. Okay, let's go ahead and do it 2 times in a row, part A. Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Nice job. Let's move on to B. Right now, you might notice that the notes are on different lines. Don't worry about that yet. We'll talk about it next, okay? Let's go ahead and count through this. Remember, there is a repeat sign, so we'll do it 2 times. Ready, set, here we go. Ta, 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 ticka, ticka, ta, ticka, ticka, ta, 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 ticka, ticka, ta, ticka, ticka, ta. Great. All right, the next one we're going to talk about is part C. I'm trying to move my face here so that you can see what's there. I'll just tell you, okay? These are all tas in that last measure, and there is a repeat sign. So let's go ahead and talk about this right here, okay? We know that this is going to equal 4 beats because, like we discussed last week, the time signature has a 4 on the top, which means there's 4 beats in every measure. So in order to count this, it's going to be ta, ti, ta, ti. Can you try that measure with me? Here we go. Ta, ti, ta, ti. Good. Let's read all of part C 2 times through. And remember, there's a ta hiding right here. Ready, set, and now we count. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, 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 ta. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, 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 ta. Nice job. Now we're going to move on, and it says play the rhythms with your drumsticks. So we're not going to use our bucket. We're just going to use our sticks and play them together, okay? Let's go ahead and do part A. Don't forget the repeat. When you have more than one beat, you're going to show it like that, okay? 1, 2, part A. Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Nice job. Now, before we try part B, I want to point out that those 16th notes, the ticka ticka, is going to be very quick. So think about how you're going to play that with your sticks. Ticka ticka. It's going to be quick, so you want to keep them close together, okay? All right, here we go. Part B 2 times, playing. 1, 2, and here we go. Ta, 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 ticka ticka ta, ticka ticka ta, 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 ticka ticka ta, ticka ticka ta. Good, we're moving on to section C with our repeat and that ta that's hanging out and hiding at the end. 1, 2, here we go. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, 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 ti, ta, ti, ta, 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 ta. Nice job. You can go ahead and put your drumsticks down. I'm going to move to the next slide. And you'll notice that instead of using our rhythm sticks, we're going to put in some body percussion, okay? So what I'd like you to do is pause this video and take time to practice the body percussion for each section. I will tell you that B and C are a little bit more challenging because it uses 2 kinds of body percussion. So for example, at the beginning of B, you're starting with snaps on the tas, but when you get to the pats, that's the ticka ticka. All right, and don't forget there's always a repeat. This one, part C, with our ta that's hiding at the end, is on that top line, which means it's going to be a snap. Okay, so go ahead and pause, and then when you're ready, push play and we'll do it together. Okay, 4th grade, hopefully you had some time to practice on your own. We're going to go through part A 2 times with the body percussion of pats. 1, 2, here we go. Ta, 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 ta. Nice job. We're moving on to part B. Don't forget that repeat. 1, 2, and here we go. Ta, 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 ticka ticka ta, ticka ticka ta, 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 ticka, ticka, ta, ticka, ticka, ta. Great, now we're on part C, pats and snaps, starting with our pats. 1, 2, and here we go. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, 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 ti, ta, ti, ta, 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 ta. Great job. If you need some extra practice, please feel free to pause this video, practice, and then come back, okay? The last thing we're going to do is we're going to put this body percussion into a form. Remember, a form is kind of like a roadmap for a song, okay? So our form for the Pink Panther theme song is there's first an introduction. That introduction is 24 beats long. It sounds like a lot, but it goes by quickly. So during the introduction, we don't do anything. Then we jump right in. You will repeat the A section 8 times. Then you'll immediately do the B section 8 times, the C section 8 times, and then we end with that A section 10 times. It sounds like a lot, but trust me, it goes really quick, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and play the song and do the body percussion, okay? And please join me. Here we go. Ready, and here we go. A. That's 1. That's 2. Halfway, keep going with A. One more. Here comes part B with snaps. Ticka, ticka, ta, ticka, ticka, ta. Get ready for part C. It's coming up. Here comes part C. Ready, go. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, 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 ta. Keep going. Ta, ti, ta, ti, ta, 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 ti, ta, ti, ta, ta. 2 more times. Last time, part C. We're back to A. Are you counting? Well, ta, ta, that's 4. Keep going with A. Nice job. That was pretty quick, right? If you need extra practice, especially on that B section with those quick 16th note rhythms, make sure you take time to practice that, okay? Thanks for joining me this week, 4th grade. I'll see you soon.